Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to add an audio player to your WordPress website using the MP3 Music Player plugin, the tried and true older version that many people still love for its simplicity and reliability. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create playlists, add music to your posts or pages, and even customize the player's look, all without touching a single line of code. Whether you run a music blog, host podcasts, or simply want to share audio content, you'll be ready to bring clean, professional audio playback into your site. Let's jump right in by installing the plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins on the left sidebar and click Add New. In the search box, type Audio Player or something similar. Sometimes plugins have slightly different names depending on their version or the author. When you spot the one named MP3 Music Player or another audio player plugin you like, just click Install Now. The installation process is pretty quick, but give it a few moments to run. Once the button changes to Activate, go ahead and click that as well. This activates the plugin and lets you start using its features. Don't worry if you haven't installed plugins before. WordPress does most of the heavy lifting behind the scenes, and you can't really break anything at this step. With the plugin activated, you'll notice a new menu item in your dashboard labeled MP3 Player. That's your hub for managing playlists and player options. Click into MP3 Player and choose Add New Playlist. Here, where you can get creative and organized. Give your playlist a descriptive name, maybe Chill Vibes if you're sharing relaxing tracks, or name it after your podcast episode. Now add your MP3 files. You have two choices. You can upload the MP3s directly from your computer, or if your files already live somewhere else online, paste in their URLs. Both options work just fine. As a nice touch, you can add album art. Setting a featured image helps the audio player look more inviting and professional, especially if your audience expects cover art. Aim for a square image, something like 600 by 600 pixels in JPG or PNG format works great. It's an optional step, but it really gives your playlists polish and makes your player stand out, especially if you frequently share new music or show episodes. Let's go ahead and add the player to your site. The plugin makes this incredibly flexible. If you're using the Gutenberg editor, which is the default block editor for modern WordPress, just open the page or post where you want your music to appear, click the + button, and search for the MP3 player block. Drop that in, select your playlist, and you're done. If you use Elementor, you'll find an MP3 player widget available. Drag and drop that wherever you like on your page. Elementor's visual approach makes this super simple. And for those who like more control or work with older themes, you can use the shortcode builder within the plugin. Just generate the shortcode for your playlist, copy it, and paste it into any text area or even a widget. This is great for inserting players into sidebars or custom layouts. Finally, let's talk customization, because you may want your audio player to match your site's vibe. In the plugin settings or within each block or widget, you can tweak the player's appearance, change the colors, swap out fonts, update the progress bar style, or even enable a waveform if that's your thing. These adjustments help your player feel like a natural part of your branding and not just a pasted-in tool. And that's it. You've added an audio player, set up a playlist, embedded it on your site, and made it look just the way you want, all in just a few straightforward steps. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you run into any snags, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help troubleshoot. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.